Yes, guys, you have read correctly. I believe I was wrong. And I will explain you in this video what I mean by that, because I was absolutely wrong, I think, about Bitcoin and what's going to happen. If you want to know what I'm talking about, then definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, you are liking this video, and also activate the bell to never miss out on these important updates. And now let's directly talk about what's going on. So as you can see here, Bitcoin is trading still in this ascending triangle and is bouncing up and down between support and resistance. But here comes now my problem that I have. The longer the price moves within the ascending triangle and the longer it takes for it to break out, the less likely the breakout is to the upside. It of course can happen that it breaks to the upside and follows the trajectory to all the targets that we have. For example, the W pattern is already invalidated, so I can take off that target. That is already out of the window. So, but here we have still the ascending triangle, the target of $32,875 approximately, but only if we break today to the upside above $30,900. And what I meant by that I was wrong is, remember guys, I told you that I believe that in the imminent short term we're going to break to the upside. And now I believe the longer we are staying in this ascending triangle, the more likely it is that we are actually breaking one more time to the downside before we then go to the upside. If you follow me for a while or have done prior training with me, then you know by definition an ascending triangle should break out around here and here. That is the sweet spot where it should break out. And if it goes past that sweet spot, the chances that this breaks down are highly increasing with every further candle that we are printing that is getting closer to the apex. So that's why I think we have to be prepared for one more leg to the downside, which will be just another fake out, in my opinion. And then we go to the upside. But also don't forget, if we break it to the downside, the target is the bottom of the ascending triangle at roughly $28,826. So that's most likely where we are going if that breaks now to the downside. Also here on the 3-day chart, if we cannot close today within the resistance area that we have here from 30,500 to 32,000-ish, if we are not closing within that range significantly with a distinct candle close somewhere in the middle, like around $30,800, $31,000, kind of in that range. Also there, we're going to see a move to the downside to the EMA ribbon, which is then, I guess, by the next move around $28,400. So we don't have to go all the way down to the EMA ribbon, can just get close and then bounce off it again. So but here, something like this here, yeah, close to 29, definitely in the cards. Also, so here on the daily chart, things are looking a little bit different, but I'm not happy with the way how that looks. So we technically got here on the daily chart a breakout out of that triangle. So and as you can see here, that can still change with tomorrow's candle into a Morningstar pattern where we get another candle down. And then we have a reversal pattern with continuation, most likely. So let's hope that this candle is not finishing as a doji, because if that kind of close it as it is, this will be not good for the next couple of days. Even though the higher time frames need a reset, yes, we know that already. But yeah, we don't want to see that in a violent move potentially by tomorrow. But of course, that will also give us a nice short opportunity that we can take. We should also not forget that point on that dip to the downside. We can actually short this and then long it again. So wait, in my opinion, either for a move above 30,700 before you open a long and trade this to the upside, or wait for a short where the price moves to 30,300. There we can open a short to the downside. A little bit premature, but if it breaks that level, I believe it will accelerate now with tomorrow's candle, not today's candle. Do it with tomorrow's candle, really, really quick. So that is what I'm looking for on the daily chart. Here on the 30 minutes chart, so here, let me take off the EMA ribbon. Then you see that a little bit clearer. And here you will see now that this is really, really interesting, because Bitcoin was in now many, many times. There is here at that specific level. So you see here, he has clear resistance at $30,632. So most likely with the indicators, what I'm seeing here, stochastic being, slightly overbought and wants to turn around, losing momentum, the normal RSI going down, and then that resistance at $30,632, I would most likely open a short here the next time if we get close to it, and let's say in the next hour or two. If we get close to that level, I would most likely open a short from there on the lower time frames, and then you can trade this on a scalp to like 30,460 or even potentially lower to 30,400-ish on a short position. And of course, guys, if you want to trade with me together, don't forget, I tell you in my free Telegram group when I'm going to trade, do this on a BYBIT. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free for signing up here, and there you can also copy trade me. And on ASCENDEX, there you still get $2,000 absolutely for free, and you get some free Bitcoin. You can earn free Bitcoin for completing some really, really simple tasks, but also only if you use my specific link here, guys. So you get $32,000 absolutely for free, that especially in a time right now where we can definitely make a lot of money when we are trading and altcoins going crazy a little bit right now. Definitely take advantage of that, because I don't know how long this is lasting. And I show you now here one of my copy trades. You can, like I said, you can copy trade me. Everybody that copy trades me is almost 10% up in a profit right now on that position. So I might actually close it soon if that is here not changing for link. Let's see how this is looking. Yeah, it's time to close that for now. And just like that, everybody made 10% here on a BYBIT that is following me. So look on BYBIT for AMCrypto. There's only one profile, and that's me. So, and you can also just go and see now the last trade that I just closed. You're going to see it there. Then let's talk really, really quick about the Bitcoin dominance. Oh, it was falling just a minute ago. So now it's going up a little bit again. And of course, link is now also going up when I closed it, but that's fine. You know, profits are profit. So here, I still believe the dominance will continue to fall here to the downside, and the next stop will be definitely be under 50%, slightly 49.7. That is my target in the imminent short term for the Bitcoin dominance, and that means that most of the altcoins will have a nice run, but only after Bitcoin had a small correction. So they will first bleed a little bit on the correction, and then when Bitcoin settled, then we will see a lot of altcoins pumping. Guys, that's it for today's video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.